He is fireman. He is a king. He is a doctor. He is a soldier. He is a patient. He is a judge. He is a boy. He is a teacher. He is a farmer. He is playing. He is hungry. He is naughty. He is a lawyer. He is a hunter. He is a policeman. Please like, share, and subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any updates.